So let's learn and enjoy mathematics.
Measures of position, quartiles, deciles, percentiles, and group data. What could be the measures of position? Measures of position, this is a technique that divides a set of data into equal groups. So that is quartile, decile, and percentile. Quartiles of ungrouped data are the score points which divide the distribution into four equal parts. If that is divided into four equal parts, that is quartile 1, that is 25%, or that is lower quartile. Quartile 2, that is 50%, that is the median. Quartile 3, that is 75%, that is the upper quartile, and the total is 100%. So we have the quartile 1, that is Q1, Q sub 1, Q sub 2, and then Q sub t. So quartile 1, quartile 2, and then the quartile 3. So the quartile 1, that is also the 25th percentile. The quartile 2 is also equal to 50th percentile or the median. The quartile t, that is 75 percentile. So makikita natin yan mamaya sa percentile. So quartile 1, that is 25 percentile. So that is 25%. Quartile 2, that is 50% or percentile 25. Quartile 3, that is percentile 75. What could be the formula for the quartile of ungrouped data? Q sub k class is equal to k times n plus 1 over 4. So over 4, that because that is quartile. K represent as nth quartile, while n, that could be the total frequency. If the quartile divides into four equal parts, the deciles, that is the score points, which divide the distribution into 10 equal parts. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and then 10. So this is 0%. So decile 1, that is 10%. Decile 2, that is 20%. Decile 3, that is 30%. Decile 4, that is 40%. Decile 5, that is 50%. Decile 6, that is 60%. Decile 7, that is 70%. Decile 8, that is 80%. Decile 9, that is 90%. And the total is 100%. So decile 5 is also equal to the median, that is 50%. Deciles divide the order data into 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles from decile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So the value for k, that is 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9. What could be the formula for the deciles of ungrouped data? D sub k class is equal to k times n plus 1 over 10. So a while ago, the quartiles of ungrouped data, the all over is 4. Right now, this is decile, so all over 10. K is same, and decile, while n, that could be the total frequency. The percentiles of ungrouped data. Percentiles are those score points which divide the distribution into 100 equal parts. So the division is 100 equal parts. So kung titignan nyo dito, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, up to 100. So this is 0%. So it means naka-by 10 to. So percentile 10, percentile 20, but then kung sinasabi natin is percentile 17, nandito siya. Percentile 9, nandito siya. Next is percentile 30, percentile 40, percentile 50, percentile 60, percentile 70, percentile 80, percentile 90. That is the total is 100%. If you ask where is the percentile 99, so nandito yung percentile 99. Percentile 75 here, percentile 63 nandito. So percentile 50 and then the median, the quartile 1 and the decile 5 that is equal, that is 50%. In percentiles, divide the order into 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentile from percentile 1, percentile 2, and 3, and so on, up to percentile 99. What could be the formula for the percentiles of ungrouped data? Percentile K class is equal to K times N plus 1 over 100. So quartile over 4, deciles over 10, while the percentiles over 100. K is considers the N percentile, and then N, that is the total frequency. Let us compare the quartile 1. So that is quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and then so divided into 3 quartiles. While this one is the percentile. So that is percentile by 10 to. So by percentile 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then this is 100%. So if you compare with decile, so that is decile 1, decile 2, decile 3, decile 4, decile 5, decile 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So kung tititigan natin yung value, the quartile 2, whatever is your answer for the quartile 2 is also equal to the decile 5 and the percentile 50. While that is quartile 1, so in quartile 1, this is decile 2.5. So if you got the answer for quartile 1, that is also equal to decile 2.5. It is also equal to percentile 25. In a quartile 3, that is decile 7.5 and then percentile 75. So kung tititigan natin yung mga value na yan, yun yung equivalent from quartile, decile, and then the percentile. Let us try to solve. There are the scores of 11 students of grade 10 in 20-item test. So if that is 20-item test, the scores are 1, 5, 11, 2, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2, 4, and then 5. So let us arrange from smallest to largest. So the smallest, that is 1. So if we arrange, that is 1. After 1, that is 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 11, 15, 20, 25, and 30. If we count, we have 6, 8, 10, 11 students. So, kailangan naka-arrange siya from the smallest to largest. Next, after arranging to ascending order, so let us find the value for the quartile K class or the quartile 1. So, replace the value of K by 1. So, quartile 1 class is equal to K, that is 1. And then the value for n, that is 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1, that is 12. 12 times 1 is 12 divided by 4. So the quartile 1 class is in the third position. So the third position, if we count 1, 2, 3. So the quartile 1, that is equal to 2. Next, quartile K class, let us replace the value of K by 3. So 3 is equal to, so quartile 3 class is equal to 3. And then n is 11 plus 1, that is 12. 3 times 12, that is 36 divided by 4. So the quartile 3 class, that is the 9th position. 9th position, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th position, the quartile 3, that is equal to 20. Same given, let us identify the decile K class. So if we compare to the formula for the quartile, so the given formula K times n plus 1 over 4, while the decile K times n plus 1 over 10. Let us replace the value of K by 5. So that is decile 5 class is equal to K is 5, and then 11 plus 1, that is 12 over 10. So 12 times 5 is 60 divided by 10. So the decile 5 class is equal to the 6th position. The 6th position, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the decile 5 class or the decile 5 is equal to 5. How about if that is percentile K class is equal to K times n plus 1 over 100. Quartile, that is over 4. Decile, that is over 10, while the percentile is over 100. Right now, let us solve for the value for the percentile. So percentile 50. So K is 50, and then 11 plus 1, that is 12 over 100. So bawasan natin to ng 0. So 5 times 12, that is 60 all over 10. So that is the 6th position. If we multiply, same then. So 50 times 12 is 600 divided by 100. That is the percentile 50 class is on the 6th position. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So percentile 50, that is equal to 5. Next, Let us replace the value of k by 25. So percentile 25 plus is equal to 25. So this one is 25 times 11 plus 1 is 12 over 10. 25 times 12 divided by 10. So the value for the percentile 25 plus, that is on the third position. So the third position, if we count, so this is 1, 2, 3. So the percentile 25 is equal to. The following is a list of scores resulting from math examination administered to 15 students. So the following is arranged from smallest to largest. If we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have these students, 15 students, and these are the score of the students. Let us find the value for the quartile 1. So the quartile 1, so replace k by 1. And then the value for n is 15 plus 1, that is 16. 16 times 1 is 16 divided by 4, that is the fourth position. So the fourth position, that is equal to 19. So quartile 1 equals 19. Next, let us identify the quartile 3 class. So k times, so replace k by 3. So 3 times 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 3, the answer is 12. So the 12th position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12th position, the answer is equal to 30. So quartile 3 is equal to 30. So quartile 3 class is on the 12th position. So the quartile 3 is equal to 30. Right now, let us find the value for the decile 4 class. Decile 4 is equal to 4 times the number of students, 15 plus 1, that is 16, divided by 10. 4 times 16 is 64 divided by 10, that is 6.4 position. 6.4 position, so hindi siya sakto. So in between 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So that is 21 and then 23. So let us continue to identify the decile 4. So decile 4 is equal to the 6th position plus the decimal point 0.4. So 7 minus 6 position. So our 6th position is 21. So 21 plus 0.4. And then the 7th position, that is 23 minus 21. 23 minus 21, that is 2. So 21 plus 0.4 times 2. 0.4 times 2, that is 21 plus 0.8. So the decile 4 is equal to 21.8. Right now, let us identify the percentile 60. So 60 times 16 over 10. So kung tititigan natin to, pwede natin i-cancel yung 0. So that is 6 times 16 divided by 10. 6 times 16 divided by 10 is on the 9.6 position. So 9.6, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 and 10 position. So in between 27 and 28. So if that is the case, so percentile 60 is equal to the 9 position plus 0.6 times 10th minus 9 position. Our 9 position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 27 plus 0.6 and then 28 minus 27. So that is 27 plus 0.6 times 28 minus 27. So percentile 60 is equal to 27 plus 0.6 times 1. 0.6 times 1, that is 0.6. So 27 plus 0.6, that is 27.6. So the percentile of 60 is 27.6. Instruction: find the required measure of position. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.